Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing with you some beauty pageant introduction tips. Hey guys, Allie here with NGM Modeling, and just like I did right there guys, when you start your introduction, make sure that you are displaying poise and confidence when you are standing there doing your introduction. You don't want to be, slouching. You want to have good posture, and you want to show them that you're sure of what you're saying and that you mean what you're saying. Next thing is that it's very important to connect with the judges and to kind of show them that you can also connect with the public. This is kind of a way of you showing that you can connect in public speaking situations if you are crowned as queen. So this is a great opportunity to make eye contact with the judges, to make eye contact with the audience, and just really show them that you have the ability to do that and that you can confidently stand up there and speak and share what you have to say. The next one is make sure that you are in your T stance. This is also commonly known as pretty feet. Is that T shape kind of with your feet, so they're perpendicular essentially, and this sets a good base for you so that you don't have to worry about shifting weight. The weight is essentially on both of your feet, and your weight is distributed well as you're standing there. You don't have to worry about balance or anything like that when you're in your T stance. The next thing is to maintain eye contact and have good posture. You don't want your shoulders to slack at all. You've got, like I said, your T stance. Make sure those shoulders are back and down, nice and tall, and you just are making good eye contact, as I mentioned earlier, not just with the judges, but some with the audience as you look around as well. Next one is be so confident you walk out there and you act like you are already the winner. So you're walking out there and introducing yourself like you are already the queen, like you have been crowned. This type of confidence is going to do wonders for you, but you do have to practice to get to that level. The next thing is to practice your volume, because this type of introduction is not one where you're going to be yelling or over projecting. You want to project just enough, but not so much that you're raising your voice or yelling at them. It's going to sound a little bit strange when you're doing this type of an introduction of yourself to the judges and to the audience. So you don't want to overdo it with a voice that's going to just boom and over project into the room and into the space. Next is to speak very naturally and just share, put emotion essentially into it and passion into it, so that they really understand what it is that you're saying. So that little inflection there in my voice kind of shows you I really wanted you to understand what I was about to say, so I changed that. Just practicing those things, guys, is really going to make an enormous difference for you. The next thing is to really speak from the heart as well. A lot of times what happens with these introductions is, because this is something that you get to share, this is one of the few, if not the only thing that you get to share during the pageant that is all about you, and you get to decide what you say and what you put into this introduction. So it's so important for you to take the time to really practice this and to really think about what you're going to say, because you do want it to be really from the heart. When you step up there and you share this part about yourself, you want it to be right from your heart. So don't just write something down and just memorize it, because it could come out very robotic when you're out there on stage. Put down the key points of the things you really want to convey, and then speak from your heart, and that is going to make a huge difference for you and for your score in your introduction. Hope this video helps you guys to just nail your introduction next time you're on stage. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave me a comment down below. I'll see you guys soon.